Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been quite a while since I've recorded a video, but I may really get back into recording with my crazy schedule and everything. But today's video is just Marcel curls and just a quick natural look. Nothing really major, just something simple. So I'm just pulling the hair through, combing it and sectioning it. I feel like with Marcel irons, it's all in your wrists and pulling the hair through using your fingers, if that makes sense. I know you have to really try it yourself to understand what I mean. So I'm just pulling it through using my fingers. And you can hold it and then like let it go, or you can hold it and use your like palm of your hand and your fingers to hold the curl with the heat. I feel like if you do that, the curl will last longer. Pretty much like I just tap with the heat and then I just let it go. So getting into the makeup, I am moisturizing her face and then I'm going to use a primer. Then I'm really not doing too much to the brows. I'm not really going to go into detail about them just because I want to do another video. Well, I really want to do a more detailed video for makeup because I feel like this one, I mean, it's okay, but it's not like nothing major. It's just something very natural. Color correcting with one of the ABH palettes, but I'll leave everything in the description below. Foundation all over her face and then some concealer. She has very nice skin, by the way, so she don't really need that much of a coverage. Highlighted areas, and then after that I'm going to powder contour. Since this is a very natural look, I really don't do much of a cream contour and powder contour for natural looks. I feel like it's way faster for that. A look isn't nothing without your contour and highlight. That's just my personal opinion. Highlight up under the brow bone and the cheeks. Highlighted the bridge of the nose and the cupid's bow. Then I'm going to use just a dark brown liner and add some gloss to it. Then spray her face with some setting spray. The clips out and just fix the curls a little bit. So then I'm gonna have her fill herself a little bit, give some face to the camera, and that's the video. I'm gonna post more videos very soon. Thank you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.